Emma, what's a cow say?
No.
What's a chicken say? What's a chicken say?
What's a chicken say, Emma?
What's a chicken say?
You're not recording over anything, are you?
On the card. Emma, what does a lion? Rawr.
What does a kitty cat say?
Mom.
Meow.
Meow.
What does a chicken say?
Titty.
Chick, chick. That's a little chick. What does a rooster say?
Oh.
Oh, ooh, ooh.
What does a lion say?
Lash.
Roar. What does a dog say? Arf,
Arf,
arf.
arf.
What does a horse say?
Me.
Nay. What does a donkey say?
Oh.
Hee haw.
Oh.
Hee haw. What does a kitty cat say?
Mama.
Now,
I don't know which way you want to go.
What does a bird say?
What's a bird say?
What's a bird say?
Bat.
Tweet, tweet.
Titty.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Titty.
What does a... I don't know what else she knows.
What
What
is...
does a sheep say?
Ba.
Bah.
Bah.
Bah. What does a horse say? What does a horse say? Neigh. Emma Grace. What is a horse? Hello.
Hello.
Is it Aunt Holly? Hello? Who is it?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Mommy.
Yeah, Mommy. Hello? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye now. Who is it? Who is it? Afternoon. Nobody was on there, were they?
Emma, what does a chicken say?
We're about to tell you. No.
Emma,